Gratitude. I have so much gratitude that every week I get to add another episode to my A Course in Miracles podcast that I started many years ago. And the first episode I started with Gary Renard, and then I had Ken Wapnick on, and just took off from there. And I'm very, very grateful. So one of the things that I've been doing in my A Course in Miracles podcast for the last many years is February, being the month where we have Valentine's Day, I make it all about relationships. So you can look in the archive and find a ton of relationship episodes, and definitely in February. So this month is no different. I am excited to do more episodes on relationship because A Course in Miracles makes it very clear to us that relationships are the number one place for us to work at the level of the mind. And oh my gosh, there is a treasure trove of healing that we can have when we're willing to do the real work and to work at the level of the mind. Then we have a healing in our body, we have a healing in our life, we have a healing in our relationships and all aspects of our awareness and our experience. And that is magnificent. A few years ago, I ran into someone, I can't think of her name right now. I was at John Mundy's Miracles in Manhattan on a Sunday afternoon, and she came up to me and she said, Jennifer, I would like you to meet my fiance, and I just would like you to know that I wouldn't be engaged right now if it weren't for the relationship help in your radio show. So obviously I didn't heal her heart, I didn't heal anything, but what I share about my own healing inspires other people to do their own healing. And that makes me so happy. So I'm grateful. I'm grateful for all the relationship healing that people have when they truly live A Course in Miracles and work these principles. So February is my relationship month. Let's get to it. Mwah!